In today's video, I'll show you how to test your camera in Microsoft Teams. With remote work and online meetings becoming the norm, making sure your camera works properly is more important than ever. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or a casual catch-up, a working camera helps ensure a smooth Teams experience. Let's get your setup ready. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Click the Sign In button and log in with your account details. This gives you access to all of Teams' features, including video meetings. Once you're signed in, click on the Calendar tab on the left side of the screen. This is where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Find the meeting you want to use to test your camera and click on it. It can be a meeting you created or one you were invited to. After opening the meeting details, click the Join button. Instead of entering the call right away, Teams will take you to a pre-meeting screen. This preview screen is perfect for checking your camera before the meeting starts. On this screen, look for the camera icon and turn it on. When your camera is enabled, you'll see a live preview of yourself. Take this moment to adjust your camera angle, seating position, or lighting so you look clear and professional. Next, click the drop-down menu to open your device settings. In this menu, you can choose which camera Teams should use. If you have more than one camera, such as a built-in laptop camera and an external webcam, select the one that gives you the best video quality. And that's it. You've successfully tested your camera in Microsoft Teams. A clear video doesn't just depend on your internet connection. It also relies on having the right equipment set up properly. Taking a few minutes to test your camera can save you from issues during important calls. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready for your next meeting with confidence, knowing your camera is set up correctly. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.